ओम एकदंताय नमः ओम कपिलाय नमः ओम गजगन्धकाय नमः ओम कुंभोदराय नमः ओम विकटाय नमः ओम विघ्नराजाय नमः ओम सर्वं निवेदयामि आचमि हिरण्यपात्रं मदो पूर्णनिधाति वरभ्यो सानीति एकदा ब्रह्मणोपहरति एकदैव यजमानः यस्तेजो दधाति अवार्ण संस्कृतिपदाभ्यः चंद्रांगण्यं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः तां महावहजातवेदो लक्ष्मीमवगामिनी यस्यां विन्देयं पद्मवर्णां त्वामिहोपत्तये श्रियं स्थिराङ्गामृणे आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिकरणे मुक्तिं सुवर्णामेवमालिनी रौद्रं रौद्रात्मकं घोरनः परिषदुर्भाण्यशं विश्वायो दुर्गः जातवेदः सिंहराद्वियामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि मानवो तत्तत्तावो धर्मावो भक्तानि ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जनो नित्रसंग्राम आयि तत्तत् ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Shivakumar, Managing Director of Vignesh Polymers India Private Limited. This is our 10th unit. We are into appliances and digital appliances and electronics manufacturing. This plant we have started for manufacturing RAC units, room air conditioner units. This is specifically for our existing customers whom we are supporting for last 20 years. This is the groundbreaking ceremony today. It has been done. For last April, all constructions will be get completed. By June, July, we will be ready with air conditioner manufacturing here. For next season, this plant will be get supported to the market for around 1.2 million air conditioners per year. Yeah, thank you.
So what kind of capacity it is going?
It is 1.2 million air conditioners per year.
So
Capacity means capacity is 1 ton and 1.5 ton and 2 ton currently. Maybe in future, based on the requirement, it can be increased.
So what kind of employment?
Employment will be around 300 to 400 workforce for this plant alone.
So what are the advantages for this plant? Any specification, any technology or taking it?
Yeah, it is. We are using a BLDC motors for more energy efficient in this air conditioners. Currently, the regulation will come by in another 1.5 years. By starting this plant, we will start with more energy efficient air conditioners.
So what are the plans for the future expansion?
Expansion, we will go with again in air conditioners only, maybe with VC coolers and deep freezers. Like that, we will propose in refrigeration sector.